Money can either work for you or against you. Every day, people rush into investments hoping to secure their future. Some succeed, many fail. But here's the truth: most failures don't happen because the opportunities were bad, they happen because of avoidable mistakes. This video will review 7 most common investing mistakes that quietly destroys people finance and how to avoid them. By the end, you'll be equipped with the wisdom to protect your hard-earned money and let it grow safely. The first and most dangerous mistake is investing money you can't afford to lose. Never use rent, school fees, or grocery money for investment. That's your survival money. If things go wrong, you face a crisis. Instead, invest with surplus money. Only invest funds you will need in the short term. Number 2, falling for get rich quick schemes. If someone promises you crazy returns in a short time, that's a huge red flag. Most of these are scams designed to take your hard-earned money. Reinvestment takes time to grow. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Mistake number 3, investing without prior knowledge. Too many people jump into opportunities they don't understand. They hear about a business and they pour money into it without research. The results: losses they never saw coming. Always study the investment first, ask questions, and know the risk. Number 4, putting all your money in one basket. If you invest everything into a single opportunity, one bad hit can wipe you out. What then is the solution? Diversify. Spread your investment across different assets, so if one fails, the others keep you afloat. Mistake number 5, following the crowd blindly. Many people invest just because everyone else is doing it. But by the time the crowd is in, the profit window is often gone. Do your own research, think independently, and make decisions based on facts, not hype. Number 6, not having a clear goal or plan. Investing without purpose is like traveling without a destination. Are you investing for retirement, for a house, for business growth? Your goals determine where and how you invest. Without a plan, you end up anywhere and always broke. And finally, mistake number 7, failing to think long term. Many beginners want instant results. The moment the market dips, they panic and pull out. But wealth through investment is built with patience, discipline, and time. Remember, success is a marathon, not a sprint. Success in investing is not about luck, it's about discipline. If you avoid these 7 mistakes, you're already miles ahead of the crowd. Protect your money, be patient, think long term, and let your money work for you. If this opened your eyes, don't just stop here. Like this video, share it with someone who is ready to invest wisely, and subscribe for more practical lessons on personal, professional, and economic development. My name is Albert McFurio. See you in the comment section.